Hello guys, today we're going to model spiral thread bottle cap in Blender. So to start with, we delete the default cube by clicking the cube and then X and the light also. So Shift, then X to delete. Then we go Shift A to add an item, mesh, then under plane. That's our plane over there. So we rotate our plane to the y-axis 90 degrees. Then we switch to tab mode, go to edit mode. Then I want to delete these three edges. I go to edges, then select these three edges, then X, delete edges. Remaining with this one edge, I select it. Then I want to add a screw modifier. Add modifier, generate screw modifier, set it to the x-axis, then the distance between the screw, let's make it 2 meters, like that. The distance between here and here, then iteration 2 meters. Yeah, so we have this like this. So you go back to object mode, grab it to the z-axis, like that. Then we apply the screw modifier. So to do editing, we go to edit mode, scale to the z-axis. I want to add a loop cut at the center, so Control R to add a loop cut, then Control B to bevel, like that. Then select all of it, A to select, then M to merge by distance. You can see it has removed 17 vertices. So when you go to vertices and try to merge them, there are 0 vertices to be removed. So the next thing, we'll go to edges. I want to select all these edge over here. So I go Shift Alt, then select, then Shift to deselect these three edges. Then I want to exclude them to the z-axis somewhere there. Then I want to scale them, scale S to the z-axis to 0. Then I can grab them to the z-axis up to somewhere there. So I want to do the same on the bottom part. So Shift Alt, then Shift to deselect this, then exclude to the z-axis, then S to scale to the z-axis 0, then grab to the z-axis somewhere there. So we can scale it A, then scale to the z-axis again up to somewhere there. So we can M to merge by distance again, removed 2 vertices. So when you go to vertices over here, you can see when you grab like these vertices, like this, it's not merged to the other. So to merge that, we go to face, select this face, then Shift, then go to the edges. Sorry, I want to deselect these three faces. Then left mouse button, subdivide. Let's subdivide them into 3, like that. So, and then go to edges. You can see we've added these 3 edges, 1, 2, and the third one. So click on the edge, on the vertex, then double click G, drag it over there. You take this one, double click G, drag it there, then this one, double click G, drag it over there. We do the same to this bottom part. So we go to faces, select the face, edge to deselect these 3 faces, then subdivide into 3 cuts over here, then go to edges. We do the same, take this one, grab there, then this one, double click G, grab it there, then this one, double click G, grab it over there, like that. So we can select it again, to select everything, merge by distance, 0 vertices removed, but we can increase the vertices over here. You can see 6 vertices have been removed. So when you come over here and select this one, you can grab it, you can see it's been merged to the other vertices. So Control Z. So when you go to the tab mode, that's how it looks like. So back to edit mode, I want to select these faces, I want to exclude them. So to select all these, I do Shift Alt select, then extrude faces along normal. Let's extrude them somewhere there. Yes, somewhere there. Then you can go to tab and see how it looks. Then I want to add a subdivision modifier, so we go to modifier, add general subdivision surface, then viewport to like that. So for smooth transitions over here, you can go to edit mode again, select this edge, this one, then grab it backwards like this up to somewhere there. You can do the same, select this one, grab it somewhere there. So when you go back to tab mode, you can see it's a bit smooth. Then we need to add some thickness to it. So tab mode, go to face, we can exclude the faces again along normals, and this time we exclude them to the inside like that. Maybe that thickness is okay up to somewhere there, yeah, like that. So go to tab mode, that's how it looks like. Then you can apply the modifier, then left button, then shade auto smooth, or you can leave it at that point. So that's how you make this spiral thread bottle cap. You can decide to add some materials to it depending on the bottle that you are making or modeling. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. See you on the next one, and bye bye.